Hello everybody, I'm sure you recognize this unit, or do you? Because this is pretty different. I mean, let me give you a quick tour here. So this is our processing unit, and the reason why there's absolutely nothing on the shelves today is because we have been processing every single piece of inventory over the last month, just and saying no to more inventory because we got one company that has several warehouses full of material, and today in an hour, actually in 30 minutes, they're bringing 38 pallets worth of material. So you're gonna see this going from perfectly clean, maybe I'll do a little sweeping, that's from this week. We actually do the 5S now, which is the Toyota way, and we actually make it so we can actually eat off of the ground in this place. And we've implemented a few other things, just some upgrades that are big. Is this the progress board? So this is where all of our Kaizens go, so our ideas. And I actually need to replace ideas with Kaizens, because that's actually what it's called. And these are just ideas that, if they're cheap, my people can do it, and they can initiate those ideas into action, which is what we've done. These are all the ideas we're doing. One of the cool ones is Kaizen foam, which is pretty much putting all of the inventory that, or sorry, not the inventory, the tools that we have into Kaizen foam with outlines around it, so it's very visual, and we're just going to stick it to the wall. And that's one of the ideas that we have. I've been making videos over this last month of pretty much explaining all of these ideas, all this lean stuff, because I've started my lean journey officially after visiting Japan, living there for a month, and going back in another month and a half. The reason why is because I just love the country, and they have this stuff down. This is our dead stock scrap. Pretty much we just use magnets to hold it up, and this is what we can see while we're processing to see what we need to dispose of immediately, right away. I talked to the clients beforehand. Hey, if there's any scrap or stuff that we don't want to hold on to, we're just going to get rid of it. We'll log it. We'll show you what we're getting rid of, and we'll give you whatever money we get for scrapping it. And that's the way we do business now. And then we have these unmade boxes out of the way, and then we have all of these boxes made, and these are 8 by 30 by 30s, and they're in groupings of 7, and that's been really helpful for us to keep it out of the way. We always keep one shelf empty. That other side's supposed to be empty. There's supposed to be one shelf empty, but yeah, we leave one empty just for days like today, where we start putting inventory on these shelves, and we can use the top shelf. As you can see, everything's L stickered, so we can see visually that we want 2 pallets and 2 pallets only in this processing unit, so 1 for each person. And we're just going to process 1 pallet at a time. And over here, this is our Kanban system. So part labels, we don't really have a designated amount, but if it gets low, we flip it to the other side. So you can actually flip this card to the other side, and we can write down the date we were requesting more, and we just can write low, or whatever is helpful. We have Kanban cards, and this is a great way to keep everything supplied. We use these 3 different stickies for showing, so like we'll have boxes, and we'll designate orange as combines, so anything that we've seen before in the warehouse, that's what we put as a combine. And then anything that's pink, that's dead stock, so that's what we have to throw away. So you'll see a lot of dead stock underneath the tables. And as we I actually went over in my last class, my last lecture, which is really my meeting that we have every week, our lean meeting. And we went over these things where, like, we had a game plan. Anything dead stock goes under the table and we're gonna throw it away over time. That's the 2 dumpsters we have at our disposal. Every week they get relieved and we can just put it in there. And then, we also log all of our processing. So all the times, how many items we've listed, the difficulty level, easy, medium, or hard, and then a note. So tons of combines that day. And then also we actually have a green sticky note. I forgot about that. Green sticky note is copper. So we just collect copper that isn't worth listing. But yes, we have these magnets here, which we can write what the abbreviation for the company, the project that we have. And then we can write on the wall what abbreviation, pretty much what company stuff this is on the table. And then over here, this is the process shelf. We can actually put a number range for the big stuff. Not the small stuff that fits in the box, because we know what those numbers are. We put numbers on the boxes. But over here, if we put big items, we can actually tell what the range of numbers is to be moved to our other warehouse, which I'm actually going to show real quick.